If you walk into a gym after skipping breakfast, you have probably been warned about what comes next. For years, we have been told that lifting weights on an empty stomach causes the body to panic and begin consuming its own muscle tissue for fuel. The industry's standard solution to this fear is the mandatory pre-workout snack. We are pressured to eat a banana or drink a sugary protein shake right before we lift, entirely for the sake of artificial energy. But forcing food into your digestive system immediately before you train creates a massive biological roadblock. Eating that snack actively locks away your stubborn belly fat. Training fasted does not destroy your muscle. Instead, it deploys a biological shield that protects your tissue and forces your metabolism to target visceral fat as its primary fuel. Quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet or exercise routine. The psychological safety blanket of a pre-workout ritual is the exact mechanism sabotaging your fat loss. After 16 hours of fasting, insulin drops to 0, and your biological fat vault swings open. But this fat remains stagnant until signaled by adrenaline. Lifting weights triggers this adrenaline spike, forcing fat cells to release stored energy into your bloodstream. Evolution designed human beings to survive periods of scarcity. It's biologically illogical to break down structural muscle when there is an abundant supply of stored fat waiting to be used. To survive, your body releases a massive pulse of human growth hormone. This acts as a chemical shield, deflecting metabolic breakdown. With the muscle protected, your metabolism bypasses it, rerouting directly into your easiest available target, your belly fat. By preserving structural muscle and burning stored fat during a fast, your body operates in its most efficient metabolic state. Fasted lifting is exactly what you were built to do. It is tempting to make a small compromise. You feel nervous before hitting the gym, so you eat half a banana or take a few sips of a sports drink just to be safe. Introducing even a tiny amount of carbohydrates triggers an immediate response. Your body detects the sugar and your insulin levels rise. As this graph shows, that insulin rise acts like a security guard. The moment insulin increases, the vault door forcefully slams shut, cutting off your bloodstream's access to your fat stores. Inside your slow-twitch muscle fibers are microscopic fat droplets called intramuscular triglycerides. Your pre-workout snack locks down these specific fuel cells. The insulin surge encases them, making them unavailable exactly when your workout demands them most. A pure fast has strict rules. The only acceptable intakes are water, a cup of black coffee, or plain, unflavored electrolytes. Eating for energy creates a biological blockade. By trying to boost energy with a snack, you prevent your body from accessing the massive natural energy supply you already possess. To execute this correctly and safely, you need to follow the fasted lifting safety triad. Step 1 is strength over suffering. Moderate, controlled strength training works with fasting. Brutal, high-intensity cardio spikes cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. High cortisol signals a survival crisis, which halts fat loss. Stick to lifting heavy with calm breaks. Step 2 is the smart refeed. While fasting protects your muscle during the workout, it creates a temporary catabolic hole. You must break your fast shortly after your training session ends. Consuming high-quality protein, like eggs, fish, or beef, paired with clean carbohydrates, signals your body to move from a state of breakdown into one of repair without crashing your system. Step 3 is sleep to seal the gains. Fat loss and muscle repair happen outside the gym. They are driven by nocturnal HGH pulses that only occur during 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep. Mastering this triad allows you to work with your biology. You prove to your body that you are safe, your muscle is needed, and storing belly fat is unnecessary. So what happens to the human body if you push this metabolic shift even further? What if you extend your fast from 16 hours all the way to a full 48 hours? Exactly at the 2-day mark, an internal rewiring takes place inside your liver, your brain, and your fat cells. I break down the biological timeline of hour 48 in this video right here. Click on it, and we will explore what happens when your organs shift into this state. Mastering fasted lifting is just the first step in decoding how your metabolism actually functions. I will see you over there.